Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Nasim. In this video, you are going to see how I make YouTube thumbnail for my video. So no more talks, let's get started. This is Canva. I mostly use this app for making thumbnail for my video. Not only thumbnail, I actually use most of my graphics design work with it. So if you want, you can use it. First of all, I will use their AI and the image generation option, and I will select my format and what aspect ratio that I actually want for my video. And the style, I don't want to pick anyone because I will make the demo one for this video. If you want, you can do it. So for this is the box and you have to write the prompt here. For my case, I will simply use one line prompt, which is what actually the thumbnail I need. So this is very simple. I just want to get the make money online thumbnail for my video, and let's generate and see what actually going to happen. So now it's time to hit generate, and you can see this is generating, and the beautiful part is you will see 4 thumbnail at once. So that's mean when you enter generating, you will see 4 thumbnail on that, and you can pick up 4 or anyone. Okay, and it's actually will give you one by one, like anyone that you don't like, you can generate it and it will regenerate 4 again. So this is the beauty, and here you can see this awesome 4 thumbnail is ready for my video. This is actually how you can make thumbnail for your video. So Canva AI is beautiful, you can use it. Now you can download it and you can use it anywhere you want. Not only thumbnail, you can post it on your social media as well. So that's it. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel. That will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. See you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.